Welcome to the latest feature update for our spaghetti chart. We are excited to introduce the support for OHLC price charts, enhancing your ability to compare and analyze prices across the spaghetti chart. Start by going into the menu and selecting Data Explorer. Under Graph Type, choose Spaghetti Chart and configure the remaining inputs in the drop-downs. For this example, we'll set the indicator to Global Long Percent, which represents the percentage of accounts that are in a long position. Next, select all tickers or coins and set the look-back period to the last 3 days. The spaghetti chart is now generated. We change the setting from relative to itself to relative to market, which shows the raw indicator values for each ticker. Then, we expand the component and select the ticker for which we want the price candles to be overlaid. Every ticker's long percent metric can now be seen. Using the legend, you can easily hide or show specific tickers. Additionally, you can view the global average of all selected tickers, providing a powerful tool for comprehensive analysis. Deselect all, then select Price and the global average, which shows the average of the indicator values across all initially selected tickers. Double-click to scale the axis. This new feature streamlines the comparison process, making your data analysis more efficient and insightful.